Michael Real Estate Christie's welcomes you in Egin to present you this remarkable estate with Provençal castle offering unrivaled rustic charm. Exclusively for sale with Michael Zingraf, the Domaine d'Egin is a unique property listed as a cultural heritage site offering a spectacular dominant view of the Verdon Gorges valley. A legacy of the Renaissance and the reign of Henri IV, the castle restored by Balthazar de Gauthier overlooks majestically the Sainte Croix lake, offering a breathtaking panoramic view as far as the Valensole plateau, the pre-Alps and the Luberon range. The building of more 3,000 square meters of square structure, massive but elegant, with 4 round towers at each corner representative of the 4 seasons, topped by a roof of glazed Moustiers tiles, make it one-of-a-kind architecture where every corner breathes poetry. This exceptional estate extends over more than 15 hectares, where vineyards meet terraced gardens, ponds and fountains recall the history of the place, and the swimming pool blends into the blue of the lake. If you want to know more about this exceptional opportunity to own a unique domain full of history, contact me, Angie Delattre, at Michael Zingraf Real Estate, Cannes head office,